Hello my friends, let me show you this Martin D12X1 12-string guitar that I got for $370. Yes, $370. It is absolutely amazing, just looks incredible, in great condition. I got it from a guy 2 towns over from where I'm at, and he was looking to get rid of it because he had this other Taylor 12-string that he was traveling around with. So he had this. He has this really nice Fishman pickup inside there. I got it for $370 off of Craigslist. There's not a lot of people that use Craigslist anymore. Craigslist, there we go. Have to get that out. Anyways, I was just checking on there and couldn't believe it. And I found an amazing deal. So hey, keep an eye out. People they're selling their guitars, they're selling their basses and banjos and all because they need money or whatever it may be. Keep looking. Don't get discouraged, just keep looking and you'll find some pretty cool deals. This is my 12-string guitar that I'm going to stick with for the rest of my life. This is it. I don't need another one. Sounds beautiful. Anyways, thought I'd let you guys see a beautiful 12-string, $370. Have a good one.